How do you play these little things? It's really tempting to try to play them like you might play a larger pair of cymbals, and they're just little tiny. Play them at a 90-degree angle to one another, edge to edge. Again, like any small percussion instrument, play it right in front of your face or close to your face where you have control and you can see the instrument, see the conductor, see your music all at the same time. Like any other metallic instrument, the ring can be cut off just by touching the edges with your fingers. Here's another example of finger cymbals. Again, whenever you have this sound, it's all about having a just nice dissonant shimmer